Hi everyone, it's Jean from Sew It Themes. Welcome to my channel. I am back after a rather long hiatus. I've been spending the last almost 4 weeks with my daughter and our newborn grandson. We are so excited. This is our first grandson, her first child, so it was all kinds of new experiences, and it was just so delightful to be there. It's kind of sad to be home, but I'm planning a trip back again. She lives out of the state, so it's a little bit effort to get there. Um, I'm going to insert a picture of him right here if I can. Okay, so today we're going to be doing flip tags. And this is nothing new. In fact, I think I saw Tina at Shabby Dabby Doo do something similar to this, but this is just my take. I think for myself, I feel like I've streamlined it a little bit more so that I can get it done faster. Aren't we all about fast, right? So anyways, what I did, I started out with a piece of paper that was like 12 inches. There's a scrap piece of paper, 12 inches long and about 3 3/4 inch wide. And then I folded it in half and gave it a good burnishing on there. Then I took my template for cutting the sides of tags off, and I just snipped it off there and snipped it off here. And you do not want to snip the folded part. You only want to snip the part that where the two sides meet each other. Then I chose a piece of tea stain paper, and you can use deco paper, whatever kind you want, cardstock, it doesn't really matter. I measured it, well, kind of like eyed it up so that it has about a ½ inch left over on the one side, whichever way you want your page to flip. You need about a ½ inch, a good ½ inch left over on that side, and then I folded it down like so and burnished it there. Then I already had applied glue on here and got ahead of myself, but I am going to put a little bit of glue on here and then open this up and put it inside like so. There we go. So now here is your flip part. Now all you have to do is glue along here and here, like so. And then I sort of glue that whole top section because that's not really going to be part of the pocket. Alrighty. Put it back over. And now you can punch your hole in the top if you want to do a hole. You can just put that in the top there. And now you have a pocket over here on this side as well as the flip out. Was that not so easy? So easy, so quick. And really, to measure, I didn't really actually measure with ruler this flip page. I just put a piece of paper over it and cut off, where I thought at the bottom. I cut the paper off and then cut it, kind of to fit in there. So it really wasn't even using rulers, but that is the little flip tag. I think it turns out really cute. You can decorate the front of it, and you can do inside if you want. You don't have to. It could be all for journaling purposes, but that's a tag. But you can also use this method for a pocket. This particular pocket will be orientated this way, of course, but there is a pocket here on the side. So you have a flip here for journaling, and you would just glue this part into your page, or you could actually make a double pocket here. You could just glue it on these sides here and have pocket here and then the pocket in here. So that would be really cool too. And I just used the same method basically, except for I didn't cut it for a tag. So it's the same size piece of paper that I'm just going to fold over like that. And then if you want, perhaps you want your flip to go this way rather than up and down. And if that's the case, you will want to cut this off, but allow about a 1/2 inch overlap over there. So we will just cut along here, quick like that. We will fold this over, kind of find out where I want to do the fold. So I have like maybe a small border around. It's just like slightly smaller than the pocket itself. And of course do the burnishing. Put on your glue and stick it in here. Probably would have been easier if I stuck it to the other place, right? Okay, like this. So now, whoops, I think I need to be a little bit more precise there in the middle. There we go, like that. And that's glued in there. I'm going to take this and I'm going to just glue the two sides then together. So that way we have a fast and easy flip pocket. And you can put your circle punch in there if you want, and this can fit at the bottom of the page. So you have some journaling in here. You can do a little bit more decor, and however you want to put this up. You can put lace around it. You can put an ephemera, clip art, whatever. So that is really, I think, a very easy and quick way to make these flip tags. Anyways, that's what I have for today. It's a really quick little tutorial. The next time I come, I am going to do an envelope flip journal book, and I don't have it with me, but I will insert a picture of that. No, what I'll do is I'll list down below the video where I did a flip through on it, and you can see the thing made there. I will do a tutorial on that envelope flip journal, just a small one, the next time I come over and do another video. So I really appreciate you watching. And yes, I'm a little fatigued, and I hope I'm making sense because I've been so busy catching up on a month's worth of things not getting done around the house. So anyways, I'm so glad you stopped by, and thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe down below, and I will be seeing you again soon. Bye.